Some things can get in much of the time. Some things can't get in much of the time. Some things can probably get in if they have the right password or whatever. But also under pathological conditions, that barrier can start to break down, and things that shouldn't be getting in a healthy state can then start to get in.
Yeah, that's exactly right. And so, what we need to start to understand, both in the context of the healthy brain, but also perhaps more importantly for the diseased brain, is what is the logic between, what signals can get in and what parts of the brain do they communicate with? And in particular, what cell types in those regions do they actually talk to? And so, we need to understand, we need to have something akin to like a map or a wiring diagram of how these signals from the periphery and the brain crosstalk.
Can you talk a little bit more about the meninges and how it works under normal conditions? I don't think most people know very much about this, except that people probably have heard of meningitis.
Yeah.
So what is the meninges doing, and what do we really know about it?
Yeah, I mean, so the meninges is this layer of tissues. It's broadly kind of composed of several different tissues. There's kind of anatomical positioning differences that control what cell types are where in terms of what immune cell types. But there's epithelial cells, there's immune cells that come from circulation that go into the meninges, and in some cases they can stay there for longer periods of time. In something like meningitis, you have this increased inflammation of the meninges proper. And so the meninges can, convey bona fide immune responses. And there are actual, let's say, immune structures that we know happen in peripheral tissues that can also occur in the meninges, like a bona fide immune cell differentiation.